I remember walking down the road one day. It was a bright sunshiny day, no clouds, no rain, no nothing. And I remember asking God, you know what? If I have prayed enough to save my soul from burning in hell, I was a teenager, and they said, ask this, let me know by let it rain right now. You know, thunder and rain right now. And right away it did it. It didn't rain on me, it just rained in front of me. I'm like, wow, that's so cool. It was a bright sunshiny day and it just happened. And it was so nice that it happened. I'm like, oh, okay, I guess I am okay then.